Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto or BuyMeACoffee/MindYourCrypto or BuildMindYourCrypto.com. Just different platforms. I'm giving you the chance to join whatever you want, and of course you will get tons of profits, including an automated system with buying and selling opportunities for 200 altcoins. You will be able to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, live trading, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates to know exactly where are we and what risk do we have, and of course you will also get Pine scripts for trading you, random giveaways, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into Ethereum against USDT. I've heard from many people back then that we have a bearish RSI divergence. Is that so? Yes, we could say that here we have formed a lower high pattern with the RSI, but I want to remind you something right here. For example, back when we were up to the 21st August, we had a little bit of a correction, then we had a swing high, correction again, had a swing high again. So the fact that we had a bearish RSI divergence wasn't enough, lower highs right here as well, wasn't enough to achieve after an all-time high for Ethereum. Okay, and I want to present you this because there are many people saying that we have a bearish RSI divergence, so we will keep for sure getting downwards. It isn't necessary. I will show you something that I really like. Although we had also a lower high in the RSI, yeah, that is the case. However, though, the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation. That is very good for us, and it means that maybe Ethereum has the potential to go higher than the 44-45 Tether USD. Okay, so we are going to use the risk metrics, and right now we had actually a little bit of a high risk with the Fisher transform. Not now, we are into a neutral position. You can see that we are near 0 for Fisher transform, near this yellow dotted line. For the commodity channel index that is more sensitive to the price action, yes, we had a little bit of a near oversold situation, not an oversold, but now we do not hold an overbought situation yet. So we can grow potentially even more for Ethereum as well. Okay, you can see that we can potentially go above the 100. Ethereum does not want to go down, instead it wants to go higher, and on the weekly frame we can see that yes, we have a high risk and we should be a little bit careful. We are going to see how this weekly will go. Potentially, if we have a candlestick type like this on 20 September, then probably we are going after down and we won't be making it, but we are going to see, because on the daily frame we have a very nice and low risk with the stochastic RSI. Okay, this is the most important thing to notice right now, and of course this pump up that we had, of course a strong Bitcoin will help so much with Ethereum. Okay, and of course a strong Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. On Ethereum against Bitcoin chart we have the same thing, low stochastic RSI in an oversold situation on the daily frame, and of course we had this pattern that I like, the daily commodity channel index near the top line as well as the RSI. Yes, we have a lower high here as well on the RSI, but if I want to remind you actually that we had it here as well. You can see with Ethereum against Bitcoin, lower high, higher high in the price, but we couldn't keep getting further down. Yes, we had a correction, but after we just exploded. Okay, so it isn't necessary that we go down because we saw a bearish RSI divergence on the daily frame. However, yes, I agree that we should be careful. Okay, not everything is bullish. Of course, we should be careful, but the fact that we have the stochastic RSI in an oversold, I like it a lot into this time. Okay, and you can see the sideways movement for Ethereum. It doesn't want to go down, it doesn't want to quit. Okay, and we could go further upwards. We will see about that, and we are going to see the major targets right now. So which targets I am focusing in for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart? There are two targets. Okay, one is from the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom. It is the 0.786. All right, and the second one, of course, it is the 0.618, the 0.309659, and the 0.309980. All right, I have these two targets in my mind right there. If we can surpass the 0.786, then ATOM, be certain that it will go even higher. For now, we hold a little bit of a high risk on the 4-hour frame, not yet, but we will soon hold. For the stochastic RSI, if we are going to see the stochastic RSI right now, we are going to see a little bit of a high risk, but we are going to ATOM against USDT now. Okay, and on ATOM against USDT, we had this breakout plus 8%. We had this bearish candlestick minus 10% right here. You can see that, okay, it wasn't so good. However, we have the low stochastic RSI that we were talking about before. Let's see some next price targets in order to be safe and in order to say what do we need to get bullish again with ATOM. Okay, so we need to go up here and draw the Fibonacci from this top to this bottom right there. And we can see that we have some important resistance levels. The 0.618, which is the 40.9941 and the 42.55. If we cannot break the 42.55, then we won't be able to go to the 48 and 50 Tether USD, the next two targets. Okay, but if we can manage to break the 42.55, I think this is the last time that we are going to break, and of course we will get rejected. This will be the last time, because you can see how many times we had broken above and we couldn't just get past above our previous all-time high. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4 and 5th right now. 5 times right there for ATOM, and we couldn't go even higher. Okay, but right now I think we can do it, especially if we get past above the 42.55 Tether USD. That is another way that we can do and find some important resistance levels, is to go with a trend base and go from this bottom to this top and back to this bottom as well. You can see that the 40 is indeed a very huge resistance level, and after we have the 41 with the trend-based Fibonacci extension, I would say that the 41.42 is very huge resistance level as well. Seeing the trend-based Fibonacci extension, I think that it is very good. Let's draw the trend-based, the Fibonacci retracement again from this top to this bottom, and you can see that the 41 to 41.42 is a very strong resistance level, this area right here. But if we break it, then we will be facing these two targets. I think that we can break though these two targets, the 42.5 and the 43. Okay, 42.5 and 43 is another strong resistance level, but I think we are going to break it after we break the 41 to 41.42 Tether USD. We will see if we can make it there. I'm very positive that we can do it, and of course a strong Bitcoin will help us go even higher. If Bitcoin has a crash, then we are going to lose some important support levels and therefore we are going to drop down. But in a normal market, we are going to go even higher for ATOM. Next price targets after we achieve the high right here will be the 48 Tether USD. You can see it is also the 1.618. It will be the 50 Tether USD and so on. We have some others as well, but we will see if we can achieve that. If we can get past above, for the time being, we need to break some minor important resistance levels for ATOM. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. I have the links in the description box, and of course you will get easy profits and turn your loss into profits. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.